how to use Phantasm tool halftone effect with type in Illustrator. First thing, create some type. Once you've got some type, go to the Phantasm panel. You can find that in the window menu. And then just apply the effect. It's a live effect, so you can change it at any point. And you've got a whole range of different settings. Click on the halftone live effect. Now this plugin, Astute Graphics plugin, is a great one for a whole range of halftone effects. Now you can see you can change the DPI, just change that to like 3, get bigger dots at that point. You can also just increase, just go up and down, a little slide, just get big on there. Now just go there, 5, 6, 7, whatever, just make it smaller and bigger. Unfortunately, you can't actually see it behind the actual type. You can also change the dot properties, you can change the shape, so you can have characters, you can see the characters there, character design. And what you can do, you can actually just see, if you go to the appearance panel, you can see you've got it selected there, Phantasm halftone. Just click on it, just in the appearance panel, and you can bring up the panel again, the actual halftone effect. Go through various 6-spoke, patterns, grid, whole range of different ones there. You can also select symbols, which is great if you prepare some symbols in advance. You can create some symbols, add to that drop down so you can see a whole range of different designs, circle, dots, etc., letters, lines, and much more. You can change the scale, so you can make very small little dots using the scale. You can also change the DPI, so you make it very, very, very tiny little dots there. You can change a whole range of different other things, change the dot grain, just to apply. Obviously, it depends on the actual type itself, if it's colour, etc. Now, you can see the type there, and again, it's in the little Phantasm there, halftone. Click on that in the appearance panel. And there's a whole range of different Phantasm halftone settings as well in the settings manager, so you can run through those. You can see them just behind the type, unfortunately. There's the mosaic effect, really quite effective mosaic effect. So again, click on the halftone and bring up, and there's a whole range. Obviously, in the settings are, of course, all maybe slightly different from what you want. Monochrome, sampled, RGB. You can run through them, just try them out. You can create some nice colour effects using that. Go for alphabet soup or whatever, just a whole range of different ones. Right, so right, you've got that sort of woodcut effect, which is really quite. You can remove it very quickly just by clicking that little cross there, just get rid of the effect, and you can just go back and create some different effects there. You obviously can remove that original design there. You can see you can change the angle, grid angle there, change relative to artboard, relative to the path, and also change the origin point, so you can see it just drifting across like that. And you can, of course, change the angle, change different width settings. You can see there you can actually, depending on the tint, not particularly so effective with obviously maybe just black type, but you can change the angle and all those sort of things as well. It's a couple of blends, normal and something else. Can't see it. So scale, again, reduce the size of that, change the DPI. Once you're happy with that, click OK, and you can see the actual end result there. You've got to see the type at the background there. Now, just go to appearance panel. You can see you've got Phantasm halftone. You can actually go to the right side of the appearance panel. Instead of add new fill, you can actually add the duplicate items, so you get 2. And you can then, what you can do is you can go backwards and forwards between the 2. So you can just, if you decide to change the settings, you can then just go through them, add 3, 4, 5, 6 different duplicate items, change different settings, and then you can click between them using the visible or not visible, so you can set different values. Of course, with type, you can actually add new fills on top of that, and add fills as effects, as well as the Phantasm halftone on top of those as well. So you can create, and of course, blend and a whole load of other things can be combined with the plugin as well. So again, you can see the 2. Just remove that other Phantasm halftone so you can see the effect. It's still live type, so if you decide you don't want the word type, you want something else, you can just quickly change that as well. Type D and just change that very quickly. Just select it, just change the actual thing. Now this whole thing is selected design. Hope you found this list of interest. Thank you very much.